friends, this is Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about Aston Global Alpha. Aston Global Alpha is a new kid on the block that promises ultra fancy and outrageous things. This firm claims to be registered in Australia and they have even showcased a few legal documents. For new investors, it might be difficult to understand their real nature, but anyone that has reasonable experience can easily see all the flaws clearly. To make things crystal clear and know about this firm, indeed a scam, then stick with me till the end. Businesses like this one have no real cash flow, so they use the Ponzi scheme model to stay afloat. However, as soon as the new client ratio goes down, the house of cards will crumble and die. So regardless of how good the narrative sounds, never give your funds to them because the odds are worse than gambling. Also, as they mainly use cryptocurrencies for cashing out the capital, it will take time to trace the transaction and make the culprits pay up their actions. Unlike many traditional scams, this one showcases registration certificates on their web page. While the documents are clean, you need to understand that they are just registered in Australia, but they have no right to collect money from the people. Legality-wise, the activities they are doing are unjustifiable, and if the crooks are caught, they will be put behind bars. Also, as they are not overseen by any regulatory authority, they can easily do a rug pull whenever they want. In other words, investors' money will always be at risk, and when the inevitable collapse occurs, you won't be able to do anything about it. Bluffing about the legality and enhancing their online profiles through questionable tactics is a common tactic used by fraudulent platforms, and this firm is also follows the same script. Aston Global Alpha claims to make money by trading two popular asset classes, which are forex and stocks. They also mention that the algorithm are advanced enough to pick winning trades consistently, and they supposedly generate 100% returns on a weekly basis. If you observe their narratives, there are no specific parameters mentioned by them. Things like capital allocation, risk management strategies are not explained. Clearly, they are not the ones you should get tangled with. Evidence to support their win rate is not present, and guess what? No audited reports are published by them. As they do not have a grain of proof to back up anything they say, isn't it obvious they are bluffing? If it was that easy to generate wealth through trading, then why do over 95% of the market participants always lose money? It is possible to make money by trading, but it's not easy, and this firm does not appear to be connected to the exchanges in any way. Public markets are a great way to build wealth. However, the only catch is you need to stick with regulated entities and invest for the long term. Many people chase the short-term gains but never succeed due to lack of discipline and proper strategy. Aston Global Alpha claims to generate 12% returns on daily basis, and they supposedly will double your capital within 7 days. Investment plans peddled by them look great on paper. Sadly, the figures shown are imaginary, and there is no way anyone can sustain that. Do not believe anything they say, and understand that they are doing everything they can to attract the public. After all, in order for them to profit, they have to loot the public. So if more people join the scheme, their loot will be huge. Anyone that chooses to promote their platform will get 5% of the revenue they bring on board. Firms like this one do not care about ethics and morals. They just want money, and they create incentives for affiliates that pushes them towards working for mutual benefits. Next time you see any blog or YouTube channel promoting them, know that there are hidden fat commissions involved. Also, never indulge with platforms that promote schemes like this one, because at the end of the day, do not have your best interest in mind. There isn't any forum on the internet that talks about Aston Global Alpha. User feedback is impossible to track down, and that situation is not likely to change anytime soon. Scams companies like this one try their best to maintain a low profile. As a result, they do not allow the clients to talk about them when they are active. However, once they bite the dust, the word will spread. Unfortunately, by the time the entire thing reaches the surface of the web, it will be too little, too late for the public. The facts available are all way too clear, and all we have to do is act accordingly. Lost money to Aston Global Alpha scam. Each and every year, the number of online scams are increasing. People still are not familiar with the recovery process, and for individuals, the entire process might be overwhelming. If you have suffered financial loss due to this scam or any other shady firm on the internet, then get in touch with us. We will do a thorough back check and show you the best way to get your funds for free. Our experts are around for decades and we bet there isn't anything that we have not seen. Fill out the contact form and we'll see you on the other side. The Aston Global Alpha scam has made the lives of investors difficult. Many people have lost money to them, and as the platform is still active, people are falling for the trap in real time. Spread the word about this firm by sharing this post via social media platforms. Have you lost money to the Aston Global Alpha scam? If yes, then comment below on our official website. Thank you.